Hi everyone. Today I will try how to use a tool called HPing3 to check network, simulate small attacks, and see what is happening with the network traffic. We will also use a TCP dump and Wireshark to capture and look at the packets we sent. First, we need to install HPing3. It's a tool that lets us create and send a custom network packets. To install it, open your terminal and type sudo apt install HPing3. After that, HPing will be ready for use for us to use it for testing and simulation. Let's start by using HP3 to do track route. A trace route shows the path that packets take to reach website um, or a server. To do a TCP trace route, type HP3 dash Z dash T 1 dash S google.com dash P and 80. The dash C option helps change the TTL to find each step along the way. The dash S option sets the SYN flag. We are tracing the path to google.com on a port 80, which is the port for website. Now let's try an ICMP trace route. ICMP is the same thing used for normal pings. To do this, run hping3 dash dash trace route dash v dash 1 192.168.0.100. The dash 1 tells the hping3 to use ICMP. The dash "v" gives more details in the output. Next, let's scan for open port on a computer. Port scanning helps us find which service are available. For a TCP port scan, type hping3-s, then open targets underscore IP dash P80. The port is open. You will get a reply with a C. If the port is open, you will get a reply with a CYN dash ACK. For a UDP port scan type, HPing3 dash 2 192.168.0.100-P80. The dash 2 option tells HPing3 to use UDP instead of TCP. Okay, now let's simulate a small DOS attack. This kind of attack tries to overwhelm a server by sending too many requests. To do SYN flood, type hping3-s double dash flood dash v dash p80 target underscore ib. The dash flood options makes hping3 send the packets really fast. The dash v option shows more details. Remember, a reminder, only do this in a safe test environment. Okay? And now let's go to capture and check the packets we sent. To use a TCB dump and capture SYN packets, type sudo tcb dump -i etho0, and this, as you can see, the rest. This will show all SYN packets in a real time. You can also open Wireshark if you want a graphical view of the traffic. Now let's install Snort, a tool that detects bad traffic. To install a Snort, run sudo apt-get install Snort. After that, check if Snort is working by typing snort v double dash v sudo service snort status. Um, let's now create a snort rule to catch SYN flood attacks. Here is a simple rule you can use. Alert TCP external underscore net any and the rest. This rule will alert you if a SYN flood happens when port 80. Once you add the rule, simulate the attack again and you should see the alert. Today we learned how to set up a network tools, simulate small attacks, capture packets, and detect attack with a snort. This hand on a practice mode, it's easier for me to understand how a real network attacks and security tools work. At the end, remember to save your screenshot. And yeah, that was all. Thanks.